Okay, guys, here's the homework that's due on April 15th. If you've been watching some of these videos, just recently we did multiplying binomials. They kept them pretty simple binomials. This time they're going to make them a little bit more complicated. It doesn't really make the problem that much harder. Just the numbers get a little bit bigger. You got to be a little more careful, but nothing too drastic changes. You're just going to end up with some bigger numbers. Okay, so we're taking 3b minus 4 times b plus 2. So you're taking this, you're distributing the 3b. So 3b times b is 3b squared. 3b times 2 is 6b. Negative 4 times b is negative 4b. And negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. And again, remember, these middle terms are like terms. So you get 3b squared, positive 6 and negative 4 makes a positive 2. And so we got 3b squared plus 2b minus 8. All right, next one. Now this one's a little different. I don't normally like it to have the negative on the h like that, but I guess we got to be able to adapt. I don't really write it that way very often, but it's there, so we're going to deal with it. Okay, so negative 2h times 9h is negative 18h squared. Negative 2h times negative 2 is positive 4h. 9 times 9h is 81h. Oops, almost forgot to put the 1. And 9 times negative 2 is negative 18. Now again, these two middle terms can combine. 4 plus 81 is 85h. So we get negative 18h squared plus 81h minus 18. Oh, what did I do? Did I do something wrong? Oh, I typed it in wrong. It's not 81, it's 85 because I got that 4 added on there. Silly mistake. All right, next one. Again, we're just distributing. So we're taking negative a. Let's make this look a little better. Negative a plus 1 times 5a plus 6. Negative a times 5a is negative 5a squared. Negative a times 6 is negative 6a. 1 times 5a is positive 5a. 1 times 6 is 6. Negative 5a squared. These combine to give me negative 1a. Now again, you can write that 1 in there if you want, but typically we do not because it's just not necessary. So negative 5, oops, a squared minus a plus 6. I'm going to go make sure I got it right this time. Don't want to miss it. All right, last one. Again, pretty straightforward, I think, at this point. After you've done a couple of these kind of start to make sense, if they didn't already when you started. So, that's one of the benefits of only having to do 4 of them. Once you get the hang of it, you don't have to do a whole bunch. Okay, so 5a times a is 5a squared. 5a times 4 is 20a. 2 times a is positive 2a. 2 times 4 is positive 8. 5a squared, these two middle terms add up to 22a plus 8. All right, should be correct. Awesome. Again, ask those questions, get the work done. Have a good weekend.